Meg Mathews ensured all eyes were on her as she celebrated her 60th birthday with a party at Sale e Pepe Mare at the Langham Hotel in London on Wednesday. The former Britpop muse looked incredible in a white crop top which highlighted her toned midriff. She also sported a matching blazer and trousers and added to her outfit with a pair of platform trainers. Letting her blonde locks fall loose down her shoulders, Meg completed her look with a stylish pair of glasses. Joining her at the bash was her daughter Anais, who she shares with her ex Noel Gallagher. Anais donned a brown shirt with a matching skirt and a white sheer blouse. She also sported a pair of black boots. Anais attended the party with her boyfriend and It's a Sin actor Callum Scott Howells, who wore a brown shirt and navy trousers. Also in attendance was Joe Wood, who sported a black lace blouse with a matching blazer and dark brown trousers. Meg also posed for a photo with Sadie Frost, who opted for a simple black dress with a low-cut neckline. Alan Carr opted for a floral shirt and blue trousers as he posed for a photo with Meg and fellow comedian Lee Peart. Meg has been open about her experience with menopause and how she had no idea what was happening to her, as indeed so many women don't. She started going through the symptoms at 49 and was left feeling isolated due to the lack of information and support. I thought I had glandular fever. It was the menopause, she previously told The Guardian. The ex-wife of Noel Gallagher later found out through her own research that she had been suffering 32 of the 34 lesser-known symptoms, which include burning mouth, mood swings, problem sleeping, hair loss and low libido. She has since become one of the UK's foremost menopause campaigners, determined to use her profile to end the stigma surrounding it. Over the years, Meg has tried anything and everything to help her menopause feel easier. But along the way, she has found some tips and tricks to make the experience that little bit more comfortable, along with a bone-building regime, as per The Telegraph. While she's aware it doesn't work for everyone, she does intermittent fasting between 8 p.m. and 8 a.m. This way, she feels more energized, and it gives her body time to rest and repair. Along with this, she has an organic coffee ritual with MCT cream and drinks 2 to 3 liters of filtered water a day. If I try to put a ring on but my fingers feel swollen, I know that's a sign I need to drink more water, she told the publication. Meg, who is now completely sober, focuses on eating 99% plant-based with plenty of leafy green vegetables, a little fish, and nut milks fortified with calcium. On a typical day, Meg has a large 500 milliliters fresh green juice made from cucumber, celery, kale, spinach, rocket and fennel. For lunch, it's a homemade vegetable stew made with lots of green vegetables, barley, sweet potato or couscous. She then has water, herbal teas, bone broth, and another 500 milliliters of fresh green juice before dinner, which tends to be a large tuna niçoise salad with all the vegetables. Her comfort carbs include sourdough bread with Marmite and olive oil spread. While she eats very clean, Meg has a naughty drawer in her house filled with vegan chocolate, Pulsin protein bars and 100 bags of cheese and onion Monster Munch. Since moving to Cornwall from London, Meg spends most of her days in the sea, and she also has a personal trainer 3 times a week. Usually she does upper body one day and lower body the next, followed by a cardio day and then a rest. She wakes up at 6 a.m. and meditates for 5 minutes before walking her dog Ziggy along the coastal paths.